Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today we're gonna have some Halloween fun. See this haunted house? Well, I created this using jelly prints, so I'm gonna show you how to create your very own Halloween design paper collection. And if you don't have your jelly plate yet, at the very end screen, I will add a couple links to my videos. One, how to make your own jelly plate at home using very simple ingredients, super fast, super easy. And another one, how to make design paper. You can also use the techniques from the design paper video to create the same look for Halloween or for any season for that matter. That goes for Christmas, whatever you desire. I also want to share some project ideas. So this house, I'll be using an art journal spread. And throughout the video, I'll be giving you more project ideas with the final prints. So stay tuned. I hope you like it. And let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a jelly plate, some paint. I chose to use some of my Diane Rivoli's collection with the Halloween colors, but I'm also going to use some generic dollar store kind of paint. You need a brayer. You're going to need lots and lots of paper and lots of decorative items. I'll be using masks, stamps, stencils, Posca pens. You'll see. The first thing I did was to create some plain backgrounds. Oh, stop right there. Do not lay your brayer roller side down like I just did because it will stick to the paper. It makes a mess. I always flip your brayer. So yeah, I'm going to accelerate through this. Again, I'm just going to be making my full color backgrounds. And for my own comparison, see the one with the arrow? That was Diane's paint. I want to compare the results from brand name paint, more expensive, high-end, with the dollar store prints. And now I'm using the orange. I'm going to make a few orange and a few, again, the arrow one is Diane's paint. I'm going to be using orange and purple backgrounds. Here's a little hack for the positioning. I don't really need the positioning because I won't be doing layers with this project. But all you need is one of those brackets you find at the hardware store. Put that in the corner and that will help you to center your paper. Again, you only need this when you're doing layer prints. I will not be doing many layer prints. So there we go. This was the stenciling technique. And that is going to be the walls from my haunted house. Next, I'm going to do some stamping, and I'm using my StazOn, but my StazOn needs re-inking. So I'm going to go over with, and that's how I did, I just stamp it all over. This is one of the little foam stamps. I went over with Posca pens to add details to my print. Now I am going to be doing the masking. The pumpkin there, this was a mask I created myself using just old piece of plastic. I don't know where it came from. I just grabbed some plastic because I figure it would be easier to use over and over again. So there we go. Now I have the outline of the pumpkins. Again, I'm going to grab my Posca pens, add details to the print because I wanted them to be scary pumpkins. There we go. You draw the best you can. I am not very artistic when it comes to drawing, but oh well. Now I'm going to use, since my StazOn is not very strong, I just use paint on my jelly plate. And again, my stencils, my stamps to add the black cat as well as some details. It turned out really cute. Oh, so I think. And I also show you how to create your very own stamps using foam, craft foam, in the other video I'm going to be linking at the end. Now I decided for my ghosts, I didn't like my stamps, so I just went and free-handed some different ghosts in there using my white Posca pen, and I'll also be doing some details with the black for the eyes and mouth of the ghosts. You see the final result. This was actually, I think, my favorite print. I thought it was really adorable the way it looked. Wait and you'll see. These are some of the ugly ones that I will still be using, as you will notice. The door and windows, as well as the roof at the haunted house. I used this one to do a cell phone cover. I made an origami box to put a treat inside. I'm gonna give this to my coworkers. I made a wrap for a candy bar. The possibilities are endless. Be creative. I hope I inspired you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.